Hey there. Thanks for watching my Clone My Campaigns review by Venkata Ramana, where I'm not just going to walk you through this sales page and show you a demo video like a lot of other marketers do. I'm Susie. I'll be your affiliate marketing informant today. This Clone My Campaigns review is based on my honest opinion of actually logging into this platform myself, and I'm going to take you with me as we research this dashboard, the strategy they want you to use, and any problems that I see with it. If you are looking for honest and ethical ways to make money online, be sure to click our instant access link in the description below. If you found value in this video, please give it a like, subscribe and hit that notification bell, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. We'll be happy to answer them for you as soon as we can. Now, let's see what Clone My Campaigns promises us. They're making them $524 per day. Here's how you can clone their 11 best money-making campaigns at the press of a button. No worrying about traffic, no extra expenses required, and no nonsense. On the right, they say it's one click to clone his best performing campaigns that they're earning on multiple platforms like Warrior Plus, JVZoo, and ClickBank. No worrying about traffic because self-driving traffic is built in. Here we are in the Clone My Campaigns dashboard. First thing we always do when we come in is take a look at the training. This is about an hour of training on Clone My Campaigns. Now, because I've been through the training, I know that there's two things you're going to need before we get started. The first thing that you're going to need before we get started is to be approved for one of the 11 products that you will promote using Clone My Campaigns. If we look at the Activate section, when you come in, there should be a blue button over here that says New. Unfortunately, it is not showing on this. I was able to find a backdoor in there, and you just click New Profit Funnel. Once you do that, you would choose from these 11 products. If we look at Venkata Ramana on Munchai, all of these products are his previous releases. Not all of them are showing here for some reason, but here is Clone My Campaigns, which launches February 14th. If we take a look at him on Warrior Plus, you can see a little bit of the reviews for the products that he is offering for you to promote on Clone My Campaigns. I highly suggest you do your research and make sure that the product you promote has a clear purpose for your customers and that you can explain what that purpose is. Once you've chosen your product, you're also going to have to request approval to promote it and get your affiliate link in Warrior Plus. I suggest you request this approval before you start your campaign because you will need this affiliate link. In the training, he does give you words to put into the approval box, and he says that you are guaranteed approval but that it will still take time, so you will still have to wait. We'll just choose the first product and create, and then our product will show up on the Activate tab. Now, to customize and personalize this campaign, you would go to the Edit section, and this is actually going to be your page builder. You could come in here and make any adjustments you needed to. But the second thing you're going to need with Clone My Campaigns is an autoresponder with a page builder, because you're going to need to build an opt-in to overlay on top of this one so that it goes to your affiliate link. In the training where they discuss setting up your autoresponder account, he actually does it on Aweber, which is fine, but you do have to have an autoresponder, which unless you're using a free plan, you will have to pay for, even though they told us there was going to be no extra expenses. Once you get your page built in your autoresponder, you will get a code for it. Then you will be able to activate your account. You'll need to name it. You are required to have a photo. Your approved affiliate link will go in here, and then your opt-in form code will go in here. If you want to try and pick a product before you get approved, you can use this button. It will take you into Warrior Plus where you can request approval. If we take a look at the Deliver section, this will actually show us the pages that Clone My Campaigns has made for us. It makes an opt-in page and bonus pages. We'll preview the opt-in page. Because I didn't make any changes, this looks just like the template did. And if we look at the bonus pages, my name would go here from the form I filled out. All of these links would go to my bonus URL, which you can also just copy in here. There's early bird bonuses, as well as special OTO bonuses and fast action bonuses. Your picture and your name also go down at the bottom. This is the exact same campaign that he used when he launched this product and sold it to over 1,000, 3,000 people over and over again. So just to be clear, once a customer enters their email, they will then be sent from here to the sales page for this product, which will include your affiliate link. When they purchase that product through the sales page, they will then be delivered this bonus page through Warrior Plus. Once you get these pages made, then you need to get this in front of eyes. You need to get traffic to it. Your options with Clone My Campaign are in the advertise section under social poster. You have the option to attach your current existing Facebook and Instagram lists or these social accounts, including Twitter, YouTube, LinkedIn, Reddit, Blogger accounts, WordPress.com accounts, and WordPress self-hosted sites. These will also give you the opportunity to send these pages to your current existing lists on these accounts. Do you have a following on Facebook or Twitter that know that you do affiliate marketing and want product recommendations from you? Because if it is just friends and family on your Twitter account or your Facebook account, you will get no additional eyes on your page or sales using Clone My Campaigns. The other option they give you under advertise is a tracker. So this isn't another option to get traffic. This is actually a way to track where your traffic is coming from. To use this in the way that is suggested in the training, you will have to purchase the first upsell at least. And then it is suggested to do at least 5 different trackers per campaign that you decide to use. That is a lot more than the 3 to 4 clicks he's telling you it's going to be to get this product up and running. The dashboard does contain a PLR product section. There is no discussion of this in any of the training. There is an upgrade section and a support button. So what's the strategy with Clone My Campaigns? Venkata Ramana wants you to choose one of his 11 previous products that he's already run campaigns on, sold thousands of, and sent to all of his lists and affiliates lists. Once you choose the product, you will still have to wait for approval. And while you're waiting for approval, you will need to have an autoresponder and build your opt-in page. You will send that out to your current existing social media lists, either on Facebook or the other few social options he's giving you, which means there is no new traffic coming your way. So what are my problems with Clone My Campaigns? Well, first of all, you're paying him to promote his products. And even though they're giving you an opt-in page, you're still going to need an autoresponder to build your own opt-in to overlay on top of this. Most autoresponders, and we'll use Aweber since that's the example he used, do give you page building capabilities. And honestly, as an affiliate marketer, you're gonna need an autoresponder anyway. But the thing is you can do this yourself just within your autoresponder without having to spend the money for Clone My Campaigns. Another problem I have with Clone My Campaigns is that it is your current existing social media lists, so there is no new traffic coming your way. Let's take a look at the pricing for Clone My Campaigns. It is $17 on the front end with limitations as to how many campaigns you can clone. Upsell number 1 is supposed to release all of those limits. Here it's showing $37. I have found it elsewhere for $47. Upsell number 2 is $197. That's going to be the done for you. Upsell number 3 is $67 here. I did find it for $97 somewhere else. This is your overnight traffic. Upsell number 4 is $97. I've seen it somewhere else for $47. This is 1 hour profit. Upsell number 5, I've also seen for $47. This one is your 1K paydays. And upsell number 6 is your reseller. I've seen it somewhere else for $47. So I'm not sure what price this is going to end up being. It could be anywhere from $499 to $609 total for Clone My Campaigns. If you want to pay $17 to Venkata Ramana to promote 11 of his other products, this may be the product for you. But you are still going to have to worry about traffic. You have the extra expense of an autoresponder, and this does sound a lot like nonsense. Please don't waste your time, money, or energy on Clone My Campaigns. If you are looking for honest and ethical ways to make money online, be sure to click our instant access link in the description below. If you found value in this video, please give it a like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And I really hope this Clone My Campaign review answered all of your questions. If it didn't and you still have questions, let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching.